Alright, here she is. We built the top end, put a water pump in, all new parts. We built the carb, new throttle cable, new magnetic coils for the 4-wheel drive. We're going to start this baby up. If I switch, it's right up nice. Into the rims. Painted the plow. I painted the whole thing actually. Like it should. My day is done.